Okay guys, so starting out with outfit number 1. Sorry if this footage is a little wobbly. I'm trying my best. I have this sweater here from Walmart. I love like the cable knit detail on it. It's just so cute. Let me focus you guys a little better. Is that better? It's just so cute. It goes down a little bit lower in the back, so if you wanted to wear leggings with it, you could, but I just personally paired it with jeans for today. These jeans I got here are from Forever 21. They are so cute and they fit so well. I love them so much. And then just for the shoes, I have some cute little ankle booties. These are like a boot cut jeans, so they like hit perfectly right above the ankle, and they just have like a really nice little zipper detail on the side, if you guys can see that right there. They're super cute. I picked these up from Amazon, so I will be able to link these for you. I'm going to try and link everything that I can down below for you guys. This sweater is pretty old, but I'm sure you can find a gray sweater, you know, a gray cable knit sweater anywhere, and I will try to link one down below for you guys. But this look is super quick, super easy, and I think it's perfect for like the fall, winter time. It keeps you warm, and just throw over a big coat and you're good to go. Okay, so for outfit number 2, here we are. We have a cute little sweater and dress pant look. I really love this look. I'm definitely going to wear this tomorrow. If you guys are wondering if I'm filming this on the same day, heck yes I am. But this look here, we just have this another cable knit sweater. This one is from Banana Republic. I actually picked this up when I worked there. But then I just have these striped pants here. These are just from Walmart actually. They're like a green taupish color. They're pinstripe. They're really nice quality. I love the fit. They do fit me pretty high, so I was able to pair it with a cute high ankle boot. I did pick these up from Amazon as well. These are super comfortable. I wore these out on my birthday and I was able to dance and twerk all night. But for jewelry, I just wanted to show you guys that I usually just wear simple gold hoops, nothing crazy for the workplace or anything like that. But yeah, I really love this outfit. It's super casual, but it's still like a little bit more dressy with the dress pants and everything. So yeah, I really love this look as well. I think just the classic dress pants with a sweater for the fall time is such a simple and classy look, especially with the booties. Okay guys, so next up we have this cute little outfit. I am obsessed with this. If you guys are in a colder climate like I am, I would put on some black tights or some nude tights, just so that this chunk of skin here is warm. But I absolutely love this look. This is such like a me outfit. I picked up this sweater from Walmart. If you guys watch any blogger or fashion blogger on Instagram, they have this sweater from Walmart. It was so popular. It took me forever to find at my Walmart. I almost bought it online, but I went in store and actually found it. Didn't even look at the price, just found my size and bought it because I am obsessed with this sweater. It is such good quality. It is so cute. I love the cream, the black, and the tan. I think these colors are so amazing for fall. And then I paired it with this little jean skirt here. I love this skirt so much. I actually picked this up from Charlotte Russe, but I'm sure you can find a like dark denim jean skirt anywhere. I have seen some at Forever 21, H&M, anywhere really that you can get a jean skirt. And then these boots here are again from Amazon. I love getting my boots on Amazon because I find that they're such good quality and they're so much cheaper than going like in store to like a store like Forever 21, H&M or whatever. I feel like you can get like such great quality for such an inexpensive price. So here is the full outfit. I love this so much. Like I said, pair it with some black tights, some nude tights, and you are good to go. I love this for like even going out to dinner, even, you know, anything really, but it's just such a cute look. Even pairing this sweater with some black dress pants and these boots, I think that would also be a great office outfit as well. But I think that this is just so cute, and I am obsessed with it. Alright guys, I think that this is one of my favorite outfits as well. It's just so simple and so cute. It is just this top here from Boohoo. It is just like a regular tan long sleeves. I'm sorry you can see my bra. I'm not going to change my bra just for this video. So I would wear a nude bra with this, obviously. These pants are also from Boohoo. These are just some nice dress pants. It has this cute little gold detail on it. You could definitely tie these if you wanted, but I kind of like the length that it gives me when they are not tied. And then I have on those same Amazon boots that I was telling you guys about earlier. I love this look. I think this is perfect for the office. It is just simple, easy to throw on in the morning, and you're good to go with like a cute little like pea coat, like a black coat or something to bring out the black with the shoes. I think it would be perfect, but I love this outfit. It is super easy and it's super cute, and these pants have pockets, so you can't get better than that. So I will have these linked for you guys as well. Last outfit. I'm excited because I'm very hot from changing for 5 times. But I just have this top, once again, from Boohoo. It has this cute little lace sleeve. Like, if you guys think that this is like inappropriate for your workplace, you could obviously pop on a cardigan with it. And then I have these pants also from Boohoo. I love these. I love this pattern. I don't know what it's called exactly. I'm not a fashion blogger, but they look so good on. They're super high-waisted. They're literally up to my bra. So I think that's super flattering, especially on my body type. And then once again, the shoes from Amazon. You could pair these with some cute little heels or whatever you guys want, but I think that boots are most practical, especially when you live in New York. And yeah, that's this look. This is Friday's look, even though it's Wednesday, so it's all an illusion.